Have you ever wondered how people create amazing 3D videos with cinematic characters, beautiful environments, smooth camera movements, and professional-looking animation? In this video, I'll show you the complete process of creating a 3D video, step by step, even if you're just getting started. Let's begin with step 1. Choose your idea. Every great 3D video starts with a simple idea. Your video could be a fantasy adventure, a futuristic city, a short story, a kid's animation, a product animation, or even a cinematic action scene. Before creating anything, decide what your video is about and what you want the viewer to experience. Step 2. Create your story. Once you have an idea, turn it into a short story. Don't try to create everything at once. Break your story into separate scenes. For example, Scene 1 can introduce the main character. Scene 2 can show the character entering a new environment. Scene 3 can introduce the main action or problem. Scene 4 can show the character solving the problem. And the final scene can give the story a memorable ending. Breaking the story into scenes makes the entire production much easier. Step 3. Create your main character. Now it's time to design your character. Describe the character carefully. Include their appearance, clothing, hairstyle, colors, personality, and 3D style. One important tip is consistency. If your character changes appearance in every scene, the video will feel disconnected. Keep the same character description and visual style throughout the entire project. Step 4. Build the environment. Next, create the world where your story takes place. Think about the location, buildings, landscapes, weather, objects, lighting, time of day, and atmosphere. For example, instead of simply saying a forest, describe a cinematic forest with tall trees, soft sunlight passing through the leaves, mist near the ground, and a narrow path leading into the distance. The more useful visual information you provide, the easier it is to create a consistent world. Step 5. Create a reference or mood board. Before generating your final scenes, create a visual reference that shows your character, environment, lighting, colors, and overall style. This reference becomes your visual guide. Use it to keep every scene looking like it belongs to the same movie. Step 6. Generate your scenes. Now we can start creating the actual video clips. For every scene, describe what the character is doing, where they are, what the environment looks like, and what the camera should do. You can include camera movements, such as a slow zoom, cinematic tracking shot, camera pan, orbit, or wide establishing shot. Keep individual clips relatively short. You can create several clips and combine them during editing instead of trying to generate the entire video in one shot. Step 7. Add voiceover and sound. Once your visuals are ready, create your narration. The voiceover should match the action happening on screen. Speak clearly, naturally, and with the right emotion for the scene. Then add sound effects. Footsteps, wind, doors, vehicles, nature sounds, and other small effects can make a huge difference. You can also add background music that matches the mood of your story. Keep the music lower than the narration, so your voice remains clear. Step 8. Edit everything together. Now open your video editor and import all your clips. Put the scenes in the correct order. Trim unwanted sections, synchronize the visuals with your voiceover, and adjust the timing. Add smooth transitions only when they help the story. Too many transitions can make... Thank you so much for watching.